So first I'm going to cleanse my face. Then I'm going to apply this biotic toner. Just little bit amount I'm taking on the cotton and applying it to my face. So now I'm taking this moisturizer, taking just a little amount of it, taking it on my fingertips and rubbing it. So gently pressing it on my skin, not too much, not too harsh, just gently. Now I'm taking this Prep Me Up primer, just a little amount of it, rubbing it and just tapping at my skin so that it will get into my pores. Now I'm using for my brows this Wet n Wild brow kit. So I'm just taking this peach one and applying it on my crease line. Now applying this pink one on my eyelids. Just applying it in my outer corners. Yeah, that look good. And there is one thing, somehow I don't know, my camera got stopped and when I was applying the glitter in my inner corner. So you can take any pink glitter or you can apply it in your inner corner and look great as it is looking right now. So now I'm using this Maybelline gel eyeliner. So now for my base I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay foundation. This is a good one and long lasting. So I'm applying it evenly all over my face and neck with the help of brush. I know many of you would like to use beauty blender, so you can, but I prefer brush more than blender, so that's why I'm using the brush. And now I'm using this NYX concealer as an highlighter. I'm just going to highlight my face. And now I'm blending it with the help of beauty blender. And blend it as more as you and as much as you can. So the more you blend it, the more it will gonna look natural. So now I am using a liquid lipstick on my cheekbones. So I wanted a little extra blush, so that's why. If you want, you can skip it. So now I'm using this setting powder from Maybelline Fit Me and taking just a little amount and setting my under eyes and highlighting area. So now I'm taking this beautiful blush palette and applying on my cheekbones. So now I'm using this beautiful lip color from my glam. So now I'm using the lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss you have. Now I am using a black eyeshadow very close to my waterline. And I'm using mascara. And here is the final look. I hope you guys like this look, and if you do, please don't forget to share it with your friends, family, and of course sister. And do subscribe to my channel.